Hello everyone, my name is Ralph Mahalik Jr. I'm the low payment king at LPK, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Defiance. And we're very proud and excited as we're about to celebrate our 5th anniversary at the LPK store in Defiance to announce that my son Matt is taking over as general manager at our store. He and his 5-star team are very excited to serve you and save you more at the LPK Defiance store for the rest of 2025 and all of 2026. So please come out and see us so we can get you satisfied with all your automotive needs in sales, service, parts, accessories, maintenance, repairs, recalls, new and used vehicles. We can satisfy farmers, ranchers with our ag program. We can satisfy all business owners with our commercial deals, right? And we want to satisfy all of our new and used car customers. And remember, you can check out over 500 cars, trucks, vans, SUVs, service, parts, accessory specials, etc. at lpkjeep.com. Please go see Matt, Jason, Carrie, Alex, and the entire 5-star team at LPK Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Defiance. We currently have open service bays. We can get you in promptly and get your vehicle diagnosed. We want to help you with all your maintenance needs, getting your vehicles prepared for all the weather conditions we experience here in Ohio. And folks, if you come bring Eddie, our mascot dog, Matt's dog Eddie, a little treat, Matt will probably give you an extra treat on your deal, right? So give Eddie a treat and you'll get a treat when you see the low payment kings at LPK Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Defiance. So please come see the new general manager, Matt Mahalik, former NHL draft pick, former banker, college graduate from the University of Prince Edward Island. He's had a great career, both on the ice and off, and he's excited to have a great career as general manager at LPK Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Defiance. As again, we're about to celebrate our 5th anniversary at LPK Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Defiance. So again, call us toll free, visit us soon, or check out hundreds of vehicles, videos, and LPK specials at lpkjeep.com.